Yes, raise your hands. Okay, yes, Nityank Baghel.
Ma'am, in the forest.
Yes, very good. They were going for a nature walk in the forest. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, who will tell me what was the name of the science teacher? What was the name of the science teacher? Yes, Maitri. Yes, Maitri, unmute yourself. Maitri, unmute yourself. Maitri.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what was the name of their science teacher?
Ma'am,
Yes,
science.
yes, science teacher. What was the name of the science teacher? Yes, Maitri. What was the name of the science teacher? Maitri, you have studied yesterday? I told you that I will be taking worksheet test today. Mute yourself, Maitri. Study, beta. Okay. Yes, Arav Agarwal. What was the name of the science teacher? Arav Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. What is your question?
What was the name of the science teacher?
Ma'am, ma'am, Miss Anita.
Yes, Miss Anita. Very good. What was the name of the science teacher? Miss Anita. Okay. Now, who will tell me how many groups science ma'am had made? In one group, how many students were there? In one group, how many students were there? Yes, Gopal.
Ma'am, 5.
How many? 5 students were there. Very good, Gopal. Mute yourself. What instruction did Miss Anita give to the children, to the students? What instruction did science teacher or Miss Anita give to the children? Yes, Sakshi. Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which
What
question?
what instruction did science teacher give them?
Ma'am, do not.
Huh? Do not. Yes, Sakshi, you are correct. So tell me. Okay, Sakshi, your voice is not coming. Abhinav Shekhar. What
Yes,
instruction,
ma'am.
Abhinav? What instruction did science teacher give to them?
Do not touch flower, leaves.
Yes. And one more instruction she
And
gave.
and and do not go for do not go do
Yes,
not
do not go.
go
Where go? And the third one was do not leave the group. Do not leave the group.
other group.
Got it? Okay, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why were the children going to the forest? Why were the children going to the forest? Yes, Sharvi. Why were the children going to the forest? Yes, Sharvi, why were the children going to the forest?
Children go.
Huh? Why were the children going to the forest? Yes, for?
Nature walk.
No, why were they were going for a nature walk? No, it's correct. They were going for a nature walk. But for what important reason they were going? What was the reason for them?
They
Okay, Pari.
Yeah, ma'am.
Why
Ma'am,
they
the
were going?
answer is nature walk.
Beta, that is correct. That is correct. They were going for a nature walk. Okay. But for what? According to science, what they wanted to do?
Ma'am,
Regarding, they wanted to.
pick up the fallen leaves and flowers.
Yes, they wanted to collect, not pick up. They wanted to collect fallen leaves.
and flowers.
Very good. Very good, Pari. Give up clapping for Pari, all of you. Okay, now next question is, Anjali was a good dash and she walked very fast. Anjali was a good dash and she walked very fast. Anjali was a good dash and she walked very fast. Yes, other children I want. Anjali was a good dash and she walked very fast. Yes, Aditya Bansal. Yes, Amrit Sehgal. Okay, Amrit Sehgal.
Ma'am, Anjali was a good sportsman.
Yes, very good. Not sportsman. She is not a man, na? She is a girl, na? So you can say Anjali was a
Sportsperson.
good, yes,
Sportsperson.
person. Anjali was a good sports person
Sportsperson.
and she walked very fast. Very good, Amrit.
Very fast.
Okay, very good. What was Anjali looking for? She looked around, but none of her dash near her. What was she looking for? Yes, Nityang.
Ma'am,
Yes.
classmate.
Yes, very good. She was looking for her classmates, but she did not find any one. Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Okay. What did Anjali promise to her science teacher? What did Anjali promise to her science teacher? Who will tell me this one? Yes, Maitri. Maitri, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What did she promise to her science teacher?
Ma'am, what?
What did she promise to her science teacher? She promised something, na? To her science teacher. Yes, Gopal.
And which question?
What did Anjali promise to her science teacher? What did Anjali promise to her science teacher? She promised something, na Gopal? She promised something to her science teacher. So what was
Ma'am,
that promise? I want to know.
I will not. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Yes, Gopal, you are correct. Tell me.
I will not. Ma'am, she will not smart again.
She promised that she won't try to act smart. What she promised? I will be she. She promised that she won't try to act smart. Got it, Gopal? Yes, Gopal, you got it? Okay. Who came calling her name in the forest? Who came calling her name in the forest? Who came calling her name in the forest? Yes, some other. Divyansh Gupta. Yes, Divyansh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Who came calling her name in the forest? Who was calling Anjali her name in the forest? Beta, you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, start studying, beta. Aditya Bansal. Aditya Bansal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Who came calling her name in the forest? Who came calling her name in the forest? Who was calling her name? Someone was calling her name, na? Aditya, you are not studying these days. Yes, Maitri.
Yes, ma'am.
Who was calling her name in the forest?
Our teacher.
Her teacher, which teacher?
The science
Teacher.
teacher.
Science teacher, and some special name was given. Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am, Miss Anita.
Miss Anita, her class teacher. It was her class teacher who was calling her name. Class teacher was her class teacher was her that science was her science teacher also, and she was her class teacher also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me this? Okay, 1 minute. Which sound she heard in the forest? When she was left alone, which only sound she was hearing in the forest? When she was left alone, which sound she could hear in the forest? Who will tell me this answer? Yes, Sharvi.
Yes, ma'am.
When she was left alone in the forest, na, which sound she was hearing?
Ma'am, trees
She could,
leave.
yes, trees, not trees leave, rustle of leaves.
Rustle of
And,
leaves.
and what was there?
Birds sound.
Yes, bird sound, or you can say chirping of birds. When she was left alone, she listened the rustle of leaves and chirping of birds. Got it, Sharvi? Acha, why Anjali was left alone? Why she was left alone? Yes, Abhinav Shekhar. Why she was left alone? Abhinav Shekhar, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, why she was left alone?
Because
Yes.
because
Yes. Beta, your voice is not coming. Bring your mic near your mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
Now say.
Because
Huh?
she was
Yes. Yes, because she was trying to act smart.
smart
Because she was trying to act
Cat is
Smart.
smart.
Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What all things she find in the forest? What all things Anjali found in the forest? Who will tell me? What all things she found in the forest? Anokhi Gupta. Anokhi. What all things she found in the forest? What all things she found in the forest? And Anokhi, unmute yourself, Anokhi. Yes, Pavni. Pavni,
Yes, ma'am.
what all things? Yes, Anokhi, what all things? Pavni, I will ask you afterwards. Wait. What all things she found in the forest?
Flowers and leaves
Flowers and
birds.
Anokhi, your voice is not coming. Okay, Pavni, unmute yourself. Yes, Pavni. Pavni, your voice is not coming only. Okay, Nityank.
Ma'am,
Huh?
leaves and flower.
She found amazing flowers and leaves. She found what she found? She found amazing flowers and leaves. Correct. 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 Okay. Now who will tell me true or false? Okay. She was smaller than the other students in her group. She was smaller than the other students in her group. Now I think that everyone should raise their hands. Utkarsh Gupta. Utkarsh. Yes, Utkarsh. True or false? Huh? Now it is coming. She was smaller than the other students in her group. She was smaller than the other students in her group. True or false?
False.
False. Correct. Correct, Utkarsh. Okay. Miss Anjali and her science teacher both were same. True or false? Miss Anjali and her science teacher both were same. True or false? Yes, Maitri. Maitri, unmute yourself. Miss class teacher and her science teacher both were same. True or false?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, one more time say please.
Miss science teacher and her class teacher were same. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
False. Why false? Why false? Science teacher and class teacher were same. Why false? It is not false, Maitri. It is true because both the teachers were same. Got it? Maitri? Okay, one more question. Children were told not to pluck or touch flowers. Children were told not to touch or pluck flowers. True or false? Children were told not to touch or pluck flowers. Aditya Yadav. Yes, Aditya. Children were told not to touch or pluck flowers. Yes, Aditya. Aditya, unmute yourself. Okay, Aditya Bansal. Aditya Bansal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Children were told not to touch or pluck flowers. True or false?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Children were told not to touch or pluck flowers. Children were told not to touch or pluck flowers. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, correct. They were asked not to touch or pluck flowers. How much time you took? Okay. Anjali called out the names of other students, but no answer came. True or false? Anjali called out the names of other students, but no answer came. Yes, Sakshi?
Ma'am, true.
True. Okay, correct. Okay, so we have done with this. Let me ask now, who said to whom? Who said this? Okay. Dear, we make rules for you as we know we can go wrong in the absence. Okay. Who said this? Dear, we make rules for you as we know what can go wrong in their absence. Who will tell me this answer? Yes, Amrit Sehgal. Yes, Amrit.
Ma'am,
Who said this?
Anjali's class teachers. Anjali's
Yes.
class teacher.
Yes, Anjali's class teacher. Okay, or you can say Anjali's science teacher. Okay, mute yourself. Okay. Help, help, I am lost. Who said this? Help, help, I am lost. Who said this? Beta, I want everyone's hand raised should be there. Few are only raising their hands. Utkarsh. Yes, Utkarsh. Utkarsh, unmute yourself. Help, help, I am lost. Who said this?
Anjali
Anjali said this. Okay, very good. Okay, Anjali said this. Can you tell me? Okay. Okay, children, now who will tell me the Utkarsh, mute yourself. Who will tell me the meaning of Russell? Meaning of Russell. Meaning of Russell. Who will tell me the meaning of Russell? Yes, Sharvi. Meaning of Russell. Sharvi, unmute yourself. Meaning of Russell. Sharvi is okay. Arab. Yes, Sharvi.
Beta,
Yes, Sharvi. Meaning of Russell.
खड़खड़ाना.
Beta, in English, sound of leaves. Meaning of Russell is sound of leaves. What it is? Repeat the answer.
Sound of leaves.
Sound of leaves. Very good. Okay, now who will tell me the meaning of explore? Meaning of explore. Raise your hand. Abhinav. Meaning of explore. Yes, Abhinav. Meaning of explore.
Ma'am, what?
Meaning of explore. Beta, it is given in book only. Meaning of explore.
Ma'am,
Yes.
to travel, to learn about a place.
Yes. What is the meaning of explore? To travel, to learn about a place. When we travel somewhere and we learn something, that is what is called to explore. We find out new things. That is what is called explore. Got it, children? Okay, now children, we have done with this worksheet. Yesterday we had done with this exercises now. So today I will show you the question answers of this chapter. Okay, 1 minute. I will show you the question answers of this chapter. Okay. This is the questions. First question, where were children going? Where were children going? The children were going to collect fallen leaves and flowers for their science and album. Where were children going? Children were going to collect fallen leaves and flowers for their science album. Okay, children? Second one. What was the name of the science teacher? What was the name of the science teacher? The name of the science teacher was Miss Anita. The name of the science teacher was Miss Anita. Got it? What was the name of the science teacher? The name of the science teacher was Miss Anita. Okay, now next one. How many children were there in each group? How many children were there in each group? 5 children were there in each group. How many children were there? 5 children were there in each group. Okay. What did Anjali see in the forest? What did Anjali see in the forest? Anjali saw amazing flowers and leaves in the forest. What did Anjali see in the forest? Anjali saw amazing flowers and leaves in the forest. Who called out Anjali by her name? Who called out Anjali by her name? Who called out Anjali by her name? Anjali's class teacher called her out by her name. Who called her out by her name? Anjali's class teacher called her out by her name. Children, today I am showing you the short answers. Tomorrow I will show you the long answers. And remember that if you have not taken the screenshot, you can take it from the portal. No need to worry about this. Okay. Who called out Anjali by her name? And Anjali's class teacher called out by her name. Okay, children. What did Anjali see in the forest? Anjali saw amazing flowers and leaves in the forest. How many children were there in each group? 5 children were there in each group. Okay, and this I have given you already. Where were the children going? The children were going to collect fallen leaves and flowers for their science album. Where were the children going? The children were going to collect fallen leaves and flowers for their science album. Second one, what was the name of the science teacher? The name of the science teacher was Miss Anita. The name of the science teacher was Miss Anita. No need to worry about this. You will get it everything in the portal. If you have not taken the screenshot of this, no need to worry. You will get the answers in the portal. Okay, children? Yes, children, all of you have understood. So we have done with this class. Tomorrow we will meet with the next class. I'm ending the class. Okay, children? Bye, everyone.